In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put two tables side by side in Microsoft Word. This is really useful when you want to compare information, save space on the page, or create a more professional-looking document. Instead of stacking tables one under the other, we're going to place them neatly next to each other, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your Word document, and make sure you can see the area where you want the two tables to go. It often helps to zoom in a little so you can clearly see the layout as you work. Next, insert your first table. Go to the Insert tab at the top, choose Table, and then select the number of rows and columns you need. This will create your first table, which will sit on the left-hand side for now. You can go ahead and type in any text or sample data, just so you can see how it looks. Now, to get a second table beside it, we'll use a simple but powerful trick: a container table. Click just above or before your existing table, then go back to the Insert tab and add a new table with one row and two columns. Think of this as a frame with two side-by-side cells. Once that frame table is inserted, it will probably appear above your original table. Click inside the left cell of this new two-column table, cut your original table, and paste it into that left cell. You should now see your first table neatly sitting inside the left half. Next, click inside the right cell of the outer table. Insert another table the same way as before, using the Insert tab and choosing the rows and columns you need. This new table will now appear in the right cell, perfectly aligned side by side with the first one. At this point, you technically have two tables side by side. But there's one more thing you might want to do to make it look clean. The outer frame table still has borders. To hide them, select the entire outer table by clicking the small handle at its top left corner. Then go to the table design or layout options and set the borders to no border. This keeps the inner tables visible, but removes the frame, so it looks like two independent tables sitting next to each other. You can now adjust column widths, row heights, and text formatting as usual until everything looks balanced and easy to read. And that's how you put two tables side by side in Microsoft Word.